Elegoo Uno Starter Kit R3. Let's see what we can find inside. Let's go ahead and open this thing up, see what we got. Super Starter Kit Uno R3 Project. Alright, so we've got a nice list up here of everything that's in here. Got a little CD and a whole bunch of parts. Let's take a closer look at this. So right here, right at the top, this must be the breadboard jumper wire, 65 pieces. Blue cable would be the USB cable, 1 piece. We've got the fan blade. Then right here we have the LCD 1602 module with pin header, 1 piece. We have the remote, also 1 piece. This right here. It's a joystick module, 1 piece. Right here's our stepper motor, also 1 piece. Here's our joystick. I guess that we can just fit together right now. Seems to be same kind of style that an Xbox would have in it. Down here at the bottom, we have the Uno R3 controller board, 1 of them. And down here, we've got the prototype expansion module, also 1 piece. We have our Elegoo 9-volt battery. Then right here, part with the 2 cans on it, it's the ultrasonic sensor, 1 piece. Here's the motor that goes with the fan. We have servo motor, SG90, 1 piece. Then we have the ULN 2003 stepper motor driver module, 1 of them. We have 120 resistors. Here's the connector for the 9-volt battery. We have 830 tie points breadboard, 1 of them, solderless. Here we have male to female DuPont wire, 10 pieces. Here we have the power supply module, 1 piece. IR receiver module, 1 piece. Right here we have the 4-digit 7-segment display, 1 piece. Down here we have the 5-volt relay, 1 of them. Then we have a 1-digit 7-segment display, 1 piece. A DHT11 temperature and humidity module, 1 of them. Then we have a potentiometer, 10K, 1 of them. Here's the pin for the potentiometer. There we go. Then we get 25 LEDs, multicolored, or multiple different colors. And here we have a couple different ICs, capacitors, IR stuff, and buzzers. Some momentary switches, photoresistors or photocells, some diodes, and a desiccant pack. And that's what comes in this kit.